Look at that. Today we're gonna take a look at LED lights for backyards, and if you guys notice, they're all individually wrapped. Just to let you guys know, the vendor was kindly enough to send it out to me so you can review it and test them out. So first of all, they give you, look at how many light bulbs they give you here. Here's one set, all right, and they're all individually wrapped, and they're replaceable too. They give you extra ones too, if you guys can see. I'm gonna put the number of actual LED lights that you require, but on the bottom, way on the bottom, they give the actual connections that you're gonna actually require and the long extensions that you're gonna need. Of course, this is gonna require power, and then, like I said, they give you individual two extra ones. Look at the light bulbs, good quality. We're gonna set these up and see how they look at night. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. It's perfect for outdoor events. If you guys can see it before we're going to put them up, so look how long they are. We're just stretching them out to see how long they are. It's 100 feet of LED lights. All right, guys, so if you guys can see the lights right now, they're super bright. And just to let you guys know, they're not made of glass. They're all plastic covered, all right? So don't be worrying about dropping them or anything like that. They're actually pretty long, and it goes up to 100 feet. So you have a yard that's going to require to take all this space. It's pretty good. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.